In this video, I'm going to explain how Afterpay works with Apple Pay and how you can use them together for both online and in-store purchases. The process is actually very simple, so just follow along step by step. First, make sure you already have the Afterpay app installed on your iPhone and that your account is fully set up. Once you're logged in, open the Afterpay app and look at the bottom menu. From there, tap on the Card tab. This is where Afterpay lets you manage its virtual card, which is what makes Apple Pay integration possible. At the top of the screen, you'll usually see one of two options. You might see Authorize and Pay in store, or you may see Add to Apple Wallet. Either option works. Just tap on it and Afterpay will guide you through adding the virtual Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet. Once you tap to add the card, you'll be automatically redirected to Apple Wallet. Most of the card details will already be filled in for you, so you don't need to enter anything manually. At this stage, Apple and Afterpay may ask you to verify the card for security reasons. This verification can be done in different ways, such as receiving a text message, confirming through the app, or choosing another available verification method. If there's only one option shown, simply follow that. After the verification is complete, the Afterpay card will be added to your Apple Wallet. Now you're ready to use it with Apple Pay. Whenever you're checking out online or paying in a physical store, just select Apple Pay as your payment method and then choose the Afterpay card as the source of payment. In stores, you can use it for contactless payments by holding your iPhone near the card reader, just like any other Apple Pay transaction. For online purchases, select Apple Pay at checkout, confirm the Afterpay card, and complete the payment. Afterpay will then split the total into installments according to their payment plan. That's essentially how Afterpay works with Apple Pay. It lets you use Afterpay anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, as long as the merchant supports it and your Afterpay account is in good standing. And just a quick tip before you go, since you're dealing with payments and personal financial information, it's always smart to stay secure online. Using a trusted VPN like NordVPN can help protect your data, especially on public Wi-Fi. There's a link in the description if you want to try NordVPN risk-free for a great price.